Hello viewers, today in this video we will learn how to make the idol of Maa Durga. So let's see. Now we will make the fingers of Maa Durga and the other gods and goddesses. Just taking a bit of clay and rolling between the palms and giving the shape of little fingers. I think you can understand this. Now after polishing, we have to make the intricate parts of this, like the nails. We have to point out the nails here, and then we will again polish it and we'll stick these fingers in the hands. Here you can see that I have applied some water on this idol's hand, because the soil is dried up, and to stick the fingers onto this hand portion we have to apply the water. It's turn to add the fingers to the mother's hand, and I'm applying water. Here you can see that I have already um, put that fingers in the topmost hand, and I'm making the thumb. It must be a bit thicker than the other ones. When the works of clay will be completely done, now we have to do the works of painting or coloring the idol. I have whitewashed all the idols, and now the different colors will be applied. So after applying the colors, it looks like this. So this is the final look. Now let's have a close-up to all these idols. Hope you are liking this. If you like my work, then please give a like, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support me. Thanks. All these works are done by me. Even the designs, even the crowns and saj, what in Bengali we call it saj, that is also made by me, and the weapons are also made by me. Hope you are liking this. Thank you for watching this video.